This is a true story. I was studying in ninth grade when I discovered Blogger, Google's blogging platform. I made a blog and was easily able to rank in a few days. I had no writing skills, I had no design skills, I had no technical knowledge. Still, I was able to win the game. The reason is obvious: less competition. A bit later, I joined college and forgot all about blogging. Approximately 2 3 years from now, when I started it again, I found it dead hard. I'm being 100% on it, it made me cry sometimes. I'm such a little baby. Fast forward to today, over half a decade later, my first blog. I have all the skills, still, it takes me considerable amount of time to get the results. But I'm able to do it now. Today in this video I am gonna talk about 9 stupid mistakes that I made which ruined my chances to rank my blog on Google, and how you can avoid these mistakes. Hey everyone, my name is Vipin, and here on Vivacious Vipin you will get content related to marketing, blogging and softwares. If you like the content of this video, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social handles. There's a gift for you in the video. Make sure to watch till last, and I will include all the tools in the video description that I have mentioned in the video. Mistake number 1: I didn't write in a readable format. If the reader gets bored reading your content, chances are they are going to bounce from your site, which will give a negative signal to search engine bots. So try to be as precise as you can. Don't fluff or write long paragraphs. Be concise and empathetic to your user. Always include bullet points or table if you can use to emphasize your point in your blog. Mistake number 2: I didn't write SEO friendly titles and meta descriptions. Your title perhaps is the single most important factor when it comes to capturing the attention of your audience. You don't have to be a writing wizard to write good title or heading. In fact, there are many free tools like SEOpressor, title generator, Portent heading generator, which you can use to generate great headlines. I shall make a video on this topic very soon. But in short, try to keep your titles or headings as truthful and as catchy as it can be. Mistake number 3: I didn't compress images. According to a study by Google, 53% of visits are likely to be abandoned if pages take longer than 3 seconds to load. So make sure you compress images in order to make web page lighter and hence increase the loading speed. Certainly this don't apply to photography websites or any such related business or blog. I mean, there are many WordPress plugins available like Resmush, which can compress your images. My favorite method is via a Mac tool called Image Optim. If you are on Windows, you can use File Optimizer or Pinga. Mistake number 4: I didn't use WordPress caching. Caching is a method that will also increase your website loading speed. According to WordPress, it is one of the fastest ways to improve site performance. By now, you must have understood the importance of a fast loading website. The best caching plugin out there is WP Rocket. There are some free versions you can also use like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache. Mistake number 5: I didn't care about the focus or main keyword density. This is one of the most serious mistakes. So if you're just filling your content with your focus keyword in a hope that it will get attention of search engines, my friend, it's not going to work in long term. This type of optimization is what SEO experts call unnatural optimization. Remember, Google or any other search engine will care for you if you will think from the perspective of the user. Make content user friendly to a wide range of audiences. Generally, keyword density should be around 4-5%, but there is no set rule. So a 2000 word article should have around 10 times the appearance of focus keyword. Mistake number 6: I didn't write alt text of images. Vipin, why would I bother what's behind the images? It's looking cool to me. Well, that may be the case, but the problem is with the optimization. Bots can't read images, not in SEO yet, but they can read other such data such as title, caption, and alt text. The alt text is displayed when an image fails to load, including focus keyword in alt text and description of images might not hugely affect the SEO, but in the long term, it makes your site well structured and user friendly, and that's bigger than SEO itself. Mistake number 7. I didn't use long but short technique. Long but short is a term that I made up to refer writing long yet short content. Kinda paradoxical, don't you think? This means content can be as long or as short as it can until it solves the problem or talks out the issue in a crisp and concise manner. Well, you see, it's all about balance. For long enough, I wrote 400 to 600 word articles. Later, I started writing 2000 to 3000 word articles, and now I write as per requirements, and mostly my articles are 1200 to 2000 words long. Mistake number 8. I didn't use LSI keywords. LSI or latent semantic indexing is a method of including related keywords in your content so that search engines can understand your content better. Okay, I know you might have not quite got it. Let me give you an example. Suppose you are writing an article on latest iPhone. So you must include keywords related to it like latest iPhone price, latest iPhone model, etc. Remember not to sound pushy or lose a natural tone. You can use Google's auto suggestion feature to find such keywords. You can see on my screen how I am able to find LSI keywords with Google's auto suggestion. Mistake number 9. I didn't submit my sitemap to Search Console. Well, with this simple technique, you can effectively improve your SEO as well as Google will automatically tell you errors your site will have in the future. A sitemap is an XML file that contains the structure of your website. I didn't care about the sitemaps for so long until I later realized the importance of it. If you don't know how to add sitemap in Search Console, comment if I should make a video on this. So that is it for today, guys. All the links of the tools that I mentioned are in the video description. As promised, here's a little gift for you. Free on-page SEO checklist PDF. Just go to the link in the description and download this checklist. This is especially very helpful if you are a beginner and want to increase your chances of ranking. I hope you would like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you are watching this on YouTube, and like our page if you are finding it on social media. Peace out.